Assalamualaikum. This is Alhamri Haitomiyu Watamama, reporting about Al-Kendi's work. But first, who is Al-Kendi? Yaqub ibn Ishaq Al-Kendi, born around 801 CE in Kufa, Iraq. He was also known as the philosopher of Arabs. Okay. First, Al-Safa Al-Ula, or on first philosophy, one of Al-Kendi's important work focusing on metaphysics. He argued that the universe was created in time, and also refuted the Aristotelian ideas about the eternal universe. He also presented cosmological arguments for the existence of God, similar to Aristotelian concept of the unmoved mover. Kendi argues that the universe is finite and created in time. Everything that exists must have a cause. That this leads to the first cause, which is God, eternal and necessary, and it goes beyond human comprehension. Fi al-Aql, on the intellect. This work explores the nature of human intellect and its relation to knowledge. He argues that the knowledge is acquired through both reason and divine guidance. He also describes the four levels of intellects. Number one, which is potential intellect, the ability to learn but without knowledge yet. Second one is actual intellect. The mind understood something. The third one is acquired intellect, when the mind can think independently. Last one is active intellect, a higher divine intellect that lets the soul reach true knowledge, unity of God and the finiteness of the world. Al-Kendi argues that God is simple and not made of parts, but beyond human comprehension. He also refutes the eternity of the universe, stating that only God is eternal while everything is finite and created. It means that God is the first cause and the cause of all. Soul, Fi al-Nafs, discuss the nature of soul and its relationship with the body and its ultimate goal. He argues that the soul is separate from the body and immortal. And also the soul has a purpose. Its purpose is to seek knowledge and purify itself to reach the higher spiritual realm. Example of potential intellect is a child has the ability to learn math but has not yet been exposed to it. Their mind is like a blank slate but ready to absorb knowledge. The second one is actual intellect, which the child starts learning basic math. As they understood these concepts, their intellect moves from potential to actual. Next is the acquired knowledge. After years of studying, the student masters algebra, calculus, and any problem solving. An active intellect, the student becomes a mathematician and discovers a new mathematician theorem.